Indian history is like a shining river flowing with courage and sacrifice. From ancient warrior to modern soldiers, our heroes showed that love for the nation is the greater than the fear of death. Today, as young Indians, it is our duty to remember their legacy not just as the stories of the past, but as the guiding lights for our future. These are not just tales of bravery, they are lessons of responsibility for our generation. Today, I, Kriti Gupta, presenting Balbharti School in this organization of Veer Gatha 5.0. So let's remember those real heroes. Major Somnath Sharma. In 1947, India was just born, but enemies had already attacked Kashmir. Major Somnath Sharma, despite being injured, stood firm with his men. He fought till his last breath, stopping the enemy's advance. He became the first Paramveer Chakra awardee. For today's youth, his life tells us even if challenges are huge and you feel weak, never step back. One determined soul can protect the entire nation. Captain Vikram Batra, Sher Shah of Kargil. In 1999, when Kargil peaks were captured, Captain Vikram Batra led his team with courage that shook the world with the war cry, Ye Dil Mange Moon. He inspired his men to victory. He gave his life but gifted India freedom on those heights. For us, his story teaches that leadership is not about titles but about action and sacrifice. When we face difficulty, let us remember Sher Shah because a true leader never quit. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the voice of fire. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a leader who dared to dream of freedom. Through strength, he built the Azad Hind Fauj and declared, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." His fire gave courage to millions of Indians. For today's youth, Netaji reminds us, don't wait for the change, become the change. Courage with discipline can shake the empire and create new nations. Rani Lakshmibai, symbol of courage and empowerment. In 1857, a young queen stood against the mighty British Empire. Carrying a child, she fought fearlessly and became immortal. With the words, "खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी." For young girls and boys, today Lakshmibai is more than history, she is a message. Never believe courage belong only to others. Age, gender, situation, nothing matters when your heart burns for justice. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, flames of Inqilab. They were just in their early 20s, an age when most of the think of career and comfort. Yet Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev chose to embrace the gallows of Indians' freedom. Their slogan, "Inqilab Zindabad," became the heartbeat of every Indian. For today's youth, their sacrifice is a reminder, don't measure life by its strength, but by its impact. Even one act of courage can awaken the entire nation. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, women warrior of INA. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal led the Rani Jhansi Regiment of Indian National Army, and all-women force fought with equal bravery. She broke stereotypes and showed that patriotism knows no gender. Even after independence, she served the poor as a doctor. For today's young women and men, her life is called "Be fearless, be compassionate, and always put your country first." I want to conclude, these heroes, soldiers, revolutionary leader belong not just the past but to our present and future. Their courage tells us the real strength lies in sacrifice, unity, and love for Bharat Mata. As today's generation, we must not just admire them, we must carry their legacy forward. Let's be brave in our action, pure in our intention, and strong in our unity. Because the future of India is in our hand. At last, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.